Alright, let me paint you a picture. 12 o'clock at night, you're mad hungries. What you going for? My option, microwave burrito. Man, easy, convenient. But I don't want that sog. So I'm just gonna cook in the oven, like a smart boy. On the box it said thaw for 24 hours, but I'm hungry now, so what's the worst that could happen? Let's just take it out. Been 15 minutes now. It should be pretty good. It's kind of a little hard. That's really weird. I had that in there for a while. Yeah, I guess I'll just put it in for another 10 minutes. Can't hurt. I can't believe this took so long. Why does it take so long to do that? But wait, it's not even hot. What? It's freaking rock hard. Why? Why do you exist, burrito? You know what? I can't wait any longer. I'm just gonna nuke this in the microwave. 1 minute can't hurt it. It's pretty much probably almost done. I just gotta get that massive ice block freaking out of it. Just 1 minute, and then I'll just be able to finally freaking eat. Okay. You know what? A minute probably did the job. This will probably be fine. There's no way a microwave didn't do the job. Are you kidding me? It's freaking frozen! Why are you frozen? Oh, okay, 30 more seconds. There's no way 30 seconds doesn't do it. It's okay. There's no way it freaking doesn't work. I'm so hungry. I just want to eat. I'm tired and I'm cold. Oh, please. Please just be done. Okay, this is it. Food time. I'm ready. How? It looks like it's freaking been in a freaking car crash. What is that? What? I just wanted a burrito.